over the weekend, I think that was last holiday, no?
Also,
right. That was holiday.
Thursday.
The former bishop of the Kumasi Diocese of Northern Ghana, Bishop Kantanka, ABA in Institute, Anon Kesiye, Ewo Freeman Church, KU. Na idea we a part of Nehemiah, he seeks to educate. Video I see a church member, a supposed church member of one chi, Adum Chi, the Bay Area conversion achino, just a Akolana Dawa Uwa. Yeshia Sobolo, Eddie Gunanumwa in a quest to say, Adum Nyame in healing. What is the mentality? Is this Christianity? Is this something in our system, in our time? As I speak with you, in fact, according to the uncle of a year, a mameno, Aqualano, yes, Aqualano.
Let me just saw that's your video.
No, Aqualano, Papa, I don't pay my Yama watch more Aquaba Akoma FM.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Bishop Mpacho, Bibi Abokodia. Nyamiadom. Yabo Abaso so over the weekend, the biggest event a course.
Yeah, that's it.
About pay the worrying video circulating na it be say a lot of questions. In the video, a woman ne ba yarea akwalano e de wu paswa. Ye hwie sobolo egunanum na ye fra adom nyame. Reporter Eban said later, Akolano Ephraim. Na una moya sofo pon mu pon a erade amamu nimdie du akiri wanyame mu. Ye gidie na ye ni anase ye mu bi we are the antichrist. Ye hu ni say sa na we are being extreme.
Medase. I think say we are practicing what one theologian be a friend say unenlightened religion. Palender is a very Professor Palender be on African religion. It's a very
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
And enlightened religion, education, medicine, and better social and racial conditions will help to dispel witchcraft beliefs. I was writing on Africa and things like that. My name was for a number of times. And my emphasis here on enlightened religion. Nyamsuma practice here. Sebio and Biana say Nyansabia enimu. And only idea
87.9 Kumasi.
There's nothing to enla mekopie ma me bia oton manro ne kone banom ne ade and then we were didn't command a copy say ahomachem ne ade adom so mo kotwa and the belief behind it say just ukotwa just wo wrong who said dey you musuo bi any ade na da me aso na me say imagine Assembly of Brazil, it has a very tropical forest. Indeed, likely you'll find it there. Now,
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
There were certain beliefs in there. MY. Now, they had generally said, in the name of Christianity now, are promoting all these kinds of things. But that is, and our people just seem to think that is the way to go. That is the whole problem. And Christosoma, I think Akoma
FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Pentecostalism almost practice Yahana. It's taking our people back. It's at the for Kosa and Yamanua and Temenkase Sabin Manro near their denom in the hole. Yes, they are there. But the binoma who say any may son so I near the but the uncle for Sama Papa. Yes, Mojo and Sobolo said, what is the composition? What has he put in there? Why should anybody just go? No one for find a back or house or appreciate the way and a mano. I don't know.
FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Yeah, what to the boy say, what's seeing it and the way it reacts. No one who say a drew way, my way, not to say at the year, you know. You call for you say. The bonnet, Ubi for your operation, shop will be to make a chance, or Fastica and Cano. Fastica is operation, and Yasico to crew down near the Equaco Park and the Panama another day. Ubi the film song, as she and dear acting the Pediana say, and then a kicker and yet, yes, so called a software are telling that person, say, Sanya Sanwan upon the mind, Miss Panua, or Boamia moving on. And this awful, man, Diana Ira, so I've been the same brain you made them by or they are my brofuni the way they are moving on and advancing. Now, by a heart, everything is supposed to be spiritual. Yeah, and it's a problem. Now, we say, my name there will be Uncle Kanjre will be actually. Nobody is going to challenge this guy. One more movie be a one will be and Kokan, German and Caprano, Bewu, near there. So these things keep on going, and that is why one of the areas I'm instituting here, advocacy. How do you really get people to stand in for people who are just being and Papa now it is because on one more yard or hospital. And then one of the will be a yard and also a sobolo.
A young mentality, and I said, how do we grow Vasania Mawi?
How do we grow Vasania Mawi? And when say, yea, Sebi, ye, and seven. For example, we are Methodist, the way we go about our thing. Unfortunately for us, we are starting to call back to. Near my years, only the right thing to do because we want to get our people to follow us. But I'm not discounting the fact that Yakupon it to me healing. But I firmly believe that Yakupon Chrono or Bompire or many healing. On once in a being Monkwana Mukudi, we are so. No, boy, and see what may be the moment answer. Kane oba enyin na obi awo kra na yise wentimi anwo ansana penifo apa na mo say yensie one ne ba no at the same time. But now people have now been able to train etimi sebe eyi akwara no ema one ma mi nyina ho to no. Then you are a medical you are a friend or so called and we tell us me my a Sicilian session. The church needs to re-strategize. We haven't changed our mindset. Now, last year or a number of years ago, your team were be transformed by the renewal of your mind. My program is, what are the particular issues? How did we take those issues, like and discuss them? How are we changing our mindset from those kinds of things? If we allow things to go outside, then relevant to the issues that are confronting us here. So the things will continue. And we will not make any progress.
I'm grateful. Bishop Sarfo Kantanka and Motesa Yanino Aiding Komono.